What's up, YouTube? I'm back at it with another one. How y'all been? Y'all miss me or no? I'm feeling this tie-dye by any means. Be you, be you, be you. Oh, 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 oh. We ain't dropped it yet, but that's another story. So my special someone's birthday is coming up, Virgo season or whatever. So I wanted to give y'all the unboxing of his birthday gifts, some of them. While he gone, nosy. But the Supreme store, they shut down for about a month, I think, or it was some time. I don't know. I'm not a Supreme junkie, whatever, but he is. So they came back up with their website or whatnot. So I was waiting for the new releases, and boom, pow! You got some gifts. You got some birthday gifts. So we ready to give y'all the birthday gifts. Y'all ready to see what he ready to be happy for? But he nosy, so hopefully he don't watch this or be around while I'm editing the video, but whatever the case may be, he grown. Anyway, I got him some few teas, I got him some kicks, a little chip, but I really like the stickers and the little toys. Sometimes they'll have stickers, sometimes they have toys, but this time with the Supreme release, they had stickers. They had the little Mary J. Blige sticker, which was, and then it's the Real Love, and then it's says Supreme Real Love Mary J. Blige. So I'm not sure if they collab with her. I'm sure they did, but it's legit the sticker with Mary J. Y'all know I love me Mary J. So I was like, I might keep that. You don't care? All right. It's also a sticker, which I seen it before, and I was like, wait, am I tripping? I think this is like a scratch off. Should I scratch it off with us together as one? You want to see what it say? I'm sure it says Supreme, but you want to see? All right, I'll scratch it. See, I shouldn't have did this. Now I'm going to have to vacuum again. I have to vacuum again. Child, we get the concept. It's cute or whatever. It says Supreme. We get it. We got it. You good? You good? No? We good. We good. All right. Here go another one with the Supreme. Another Supreme sticker. And then they got the parachute toy. That's cute. I don't know about y'all, but I love like little things that come, when you spend some bread with somebody, you want to have like some little cute little knick-knack. This is so cute. It's a parachute. Now that's fly. That's fly. Let me throw it up. See what it be like. Megan, stop playing. Wait. Let's see again. That was try one. All right, yeah. They have the clear bags. They got Supreme on them as well. I'm telling y'all, I really love, I really pay attention to, details or whatnot. And, this tea feels so good. It's got the fire coming from it. It's lit. I like it. I hope he like it. You think he'll like it or no? I think this tea is lit. Like literally. So that's the tea. This actually came first. And then I realized, like, whenever I get anything from Supreme, like, whatever is with your card, let me go ahead and tell y'all this. Whatever card y'all, whatever card y'all have on file, y'all have to ship it to that address, and they don't let you change it. So that's the only thing with it. Like, I wanted to ship it to somebody else's address, but I couldn't even do that because whatever card it goes to, that's the one that you have to ship your address to. So I legit had to, like, try to act like it was something else. But I feel like he already know. You know how I go. Little beanie or whatever. How hard is this? Like, for real. This is hard. He loved beanies, so this was like a no-brainer. Let me go ahead and snatch that joint up. And the neon is what I'm feeling, so I'm feeling the neon joints. Only thing I hope is he do not come while I'm doing this video. Like, I pray he don't come while I'm doing this video. So the sticker that we had in the first t-shirt bag is basically the same as the shirt. I feel like it was nicer on the picture. I mean, online. Like, it's okay, but let's try to stand up. It's okay, but I mean, I ain't in love with it. Only reason why I got it, honestly, is because he has the Yeezys and the gray and white one. I don't know the numbers. But I figured they kind of would go with it, so I was like, whatever, I get it. New shit from Supreme. Authorized dealer. It's nice. I like that sticker. Cool one. Another sticker. But that sticker, before I pulled it up, that sticker, I got a shirt from it. But I don't know about y'all, but so it has the same thing as the sticker. But the reason why I got this tee, honestly, is because I like when they have, like, words on the back or tour dates. I like any tee that has that. But this one just has, like, a phone number, I'm assuming. Yeah. So, I really just like the back. That's sad that you like certain details of certain stuff. But it's still cool, though. It's lit. Plus, you can't go wrong with a black joint. They gave us another parachute. I'm gonna have these all around the house. And it's another scratch off Supreme joint. I had got another tee, but what in the world? Supreme Professional Care. Super Cream, although the mine. What they doing? I don't know what that is. Socks. I mean, socks that he can wear, socks that I can wear. Is it your birthday or my birthday? I mean, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You got the crew socks. We here with the little Supreme at the top. Y'all know I love a little slouch socks. So that's the bag. And then we got a box, a little nasty box. So, what do we have here? What did you get here, sir? What do we get you? Let's see. What is it? Oh my gosh, you back at it again. Off-White. So you ever got a gift, like, and then you cry after you get it, but then you like the money already gone, it's been a few weeks, so you okay? It's settling in though, now that I open it. Sometimes it's settling when he open it, but since we're gonna do this video, we're gonna go with it. You know, I love a little bag. I keep all of them. The Off-White got the little paper, tissue paper, whatever. Hey, these are some boats. They got this quick. I mean, it's too big. I got some. Boom pow, boom pow. These joints is fire. I love them. Like when I seen them, I was like, oh my gosh, what are you doing, Off-White? Zip tie. You know, a little nasty little zip tie. And it's so sad because he really like details on everything. So I know like he will fall in love with these. Like, I know he would. Like, look at the belt type. I was like, oh my God, these are so exclusive. Like, they bomb. Like, for real. They are so bomb. Like, you gotta have them. Like, boom, pow! I need them. Do y'all picking up on a new look or whatever? Anything new? Do you see anything new on my face? I got on my sister's eyelashes. My sister started a whole little brand. I hate saying little in front of anything. So wait. My sister started a little big brand of eyelashes, and they bomb, right? I don't even do eyelashes, but I'm going to do them because my people got them. What you know about that support? That type of support. My sensitive eyes, the glue might get in my face, but I'm going to risk it all for sis. Go cop. I'm going to drop her Instagram down low so you can cop from her if you like them or whatever. I don't know the names because I'm not really into this whole little lash thing or whatever. But yeah, she got them or whatever. So y'all go cop because they lit. I like them. I mean, I've worn lashes before, like for my fashion show or like legit. It better be special occasions because I don't really rock with them. I can use some mascara and go about my business. They already itching my eyes. I'm taking them off. I ain't got time. But yeah, back to the shoe. What y'all think? Y'all like it? It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Cute. Money gone. All right. It's back. No, it's gone. Look at the. Yo, these are lit. Like every detail in the shoe is lit. That's crazy. Oh my God. I'm so obsessed with these that I want them myself. Should I ask for them? Please. Thank you. If you watch. I love them. But yeah. That's all he got from Supreme Off-White. Ain't nobody got time. You count it up and let me know. What? You tell me how much you think. We ain't even gonna talk about it. But yeah, it's lit. He a little Virgo or whatever. His days don't end. And then he got a trip. I got us over there with the flight. You gotta pay for the room. I ain't got time. I ain't got time. What? Drop it down below. Let me know if y'all do the same thing with your baby daddies, little boyfriends. Let me know. I'll get you over there. It ain't all inclusive. So you gotta pay for that room. I'm done. Cut. No. But for real, y'all. Comment down below. Let me know how much you think I spent on his whole little get up right here, whatever. We ain't talking about nothing else, but the whole little get up right here, how much you think I spent. But if you want more unboxing videos with my things, with his things, with my people's things, whatever you want me to unbox for you, let me know if you want more unboxing videos, and I got you, sis. I got you. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below that you love me and you missed me. Because it's been like, what? It's officially been like 3 days, I think. Y'all, make sure y'all add me to my Instagram so that I can, so y'all can get my day in, day out lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? And y'all can always DM me and hit me up for anything, you know? Okay? All right. Holla at your girl.